My name is Martin, I'm product manager at Avonic, and today I'll be unboxing this CM40-IP camera right here. The idea of this video is just to give you an idea of what it would be like to open up a camera like this and what kind of items are supplied together with the camera. So this will give you some idea about that. The CM40-IP is one of our most recent additions to our portfolio. It adds a couple of features on top of the CM40 series. Some of those features are it's now powered over PoE, it has IP streaming, and it has IP control. So basically this allows you to create a one-wire solution, because everything can go over this standard network cable. So let's move on to the unboxing itself. Now what you see here is our standard box. Everybody would be familiar with that if you've ever bought a camera from ours. Once opening it up, you'll find our quick start guide, which is very convenient. If we have a quick look in this booklet, you'll find that it allows you to get the basic information on the web interface. It gives you information on the system dial, so you at least know which settings you would like to use for your video output. It gives you some basic information on white balance modes and multiple camera installations, etc., etc. So hang on to this booklet, it's very convenient. Once we remove the protective covering, we find ourselves looking at the different cables that are provided together with the camera. So to begin with, this is the standard USB-A to USB-A cable. This is the power supply cable. This is the mini DIN 8 to DB9 connector, so if you want to connect the camera to your computer or any serial interface using RS-232, this would be the way to go. And of course the IR remote controller. This little bag contains the RS-485 connector. It's all pretty standard in that sense. You'll find these with most of our cameras. So digging a little bit deeper, you'll find the power supply right next to the camera and the camera itself. Removing this carefully from the packaging. Try not to pull it too hard on the camera because it has a lot of moving parts. Remove the plastic bag and you'll find yourself with a camera. Okay, on the back of the camera you'll see all the different connections that allows you to hook up your screens or controllers to the camera. And I'll quickly go over them. So here you have your 3G SDI connector, your HDMI, your USB connector to hook it up to your computer, and your RJ45 connector. So this is basically the connector that allows all the extra functionality that we talked about earlier. On the top left we have what's really hard to see, but it's a Kensington Lock. So if you want to lock this camera, you can use a standard Kensington Lock to hook it up to something solid, like a metal beam or something available, and people won't be able to just take it along if they unscrew the camera from its mount. Below that there's the audio input, which allows you to embed audio. Here we find the RS-485 connector for control over a serial, our system dial connector, and our 2 ports for RS-232 VSCA control. On the bottom corner, bottom right corner here, you'll find the locking 12 volt power supply connector and an on and off switch. So this is basically what you will find when you unbox your camera. So if you have any questions about the products that we have, please visit our website, which is www.avonic.eu. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive any future updates.